And welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, vendor sent me a product. This is a free product, and this is a paid shoppable video, just meant to help you make a decision on why you should buy this or why you shouldn't buy it. So what I've got here is a do-it-yourself headlight restoral kit on my 2016 Toyota Highlander. On my 2016 Toyota Highlander, I've had an accident where the light over here is crystal clear, but this is the original lens. See how clear, crystal clear these brand new headlights are. They're less than a year old. But then we go over to the old original manufacturer and see how cloudy that's gotten. And that really does affect your lighting at night. I can honestly tell the difference on what side of the car the light is brightest on. So we need to use this kit and clear this film off. We also have another deal here. This is where my camera is for the cruise control, and this is clouded up that sometimes my cruise control doesn't even work because it can't see through this fogginess. So we're going to restore that too. So what we have in the kit here, if we open up the kit, and I've already opened it and read the instructions. First thing you're supposed to do is clean your lights, which I did that. I cleaned them up. So we got a little plastic that goes around the outside of the light to keep yourself from scratching any of your paint. We have polish, which is step 2. And then we have step 1, which is sanding it and buffing it. So I do not actually have a buffer, but I am going to try to use a drill, which I think will work fine. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to install this buffing pad holder in my drill, and that should do just fine. You might want to control the revolutions a little bit so you don't go overboard on the revolutions, but then what it asks you to do is take this and wrap it around the outside of your lights so that you don't get any chemicals on your paint and that you don't accidentally scrape your paint. Okay, so I've gotten my light pretty much covered here, as much as I need to, I feel. Probably it's good enough. And then I've also got my little camera taped out here. So the first thing it tells you to do is you grab 3 discs per light, 800, 1200, and 2000. So there's 3 discs, 800, which is, or 1200, or not, I'm sorry, 800, which is going to be the coarsest, 1200 is going to be a little softer, and then 2000 will be what you finish up with. And you just so we're going to go over here. And we're going to go back and get our 1200, and then polish that up. So, don't know yet. Do this one here. And I think it's getting most of the outside cloud. I believe the problem might be is that we have some clouds on the underneath side too. So now we take our 2000, which is the final grade, it has removed a lot of the cloud. Get my last 2000, put it on here. Is clean it. And you can see that that's much clearer now once we get it all finished up. It's actually a lot clearer. So next we use the polisher to buff this out. Do this one. now we have the final clear coat we're going to put on. And what you do is you put this on your final cleaning towel. You put about 10 drops on there. And we're going to go across, and then we're going to go up and down, and just make sure that we have a nice even coat on there. And then we're done. Minutes, and then we're going to take a hairdryer and dry this off. 1 to 2 minutes with a hairdryer, or you can let it not move your car and let it set for 24 hours. I'm going to opt for the hairdryer method. All right, the only thing we have left to do here is dry it. So, I think in summary, what I would say is that if I were to do it again, I might take a little bit more time with a buffer, or maybe rent a buffer rather than the drill. But this is, I would say, 10 times better than it did when I first started. I don't know if we can zoom in over here. This is where I really didn't work it very well, and it's super cloudy still. But I didn't, again, that's my fault for not working it that hard. But over here where I worked it hard, it nearly removed all of the cloudiness. So am I happy with it? Yes. Could I have maybe taken a little bit more time and done it better? Maybe. Or maybe this is as good as this kit gets. But this is very nice. It's going to allow the light to, the whole purpose here is to let the light come out so that I can see as I'm driving at night. So I'm very happy with it. Go out and get yourself a kit.